Lagos Oriental Hotel is a 5-star luxury hotel situated at number 3 Lekki Epe Expressway Victoria Island area of Lagos State, Nigeria. This 5-star hotel welcomes guests with 180 rooms and conveniences like an outdoor pool, free in-room Wi-Fi, and free self-parking. Due to its unique location, the Lagos Oriental Hotel is an ideal venue for conferences, receptions, balls, and banquets. Located in the heart of Victoria Island, Lagos, offers an enchanting view of the Lagos Lagoon. The hotel facility was attacked in 2020 by hoodlums during the violence that accompanied EndSARS protests in Lekki area of Lagos, because some individual claims that the hotel is the investment of politicians. Lagos Oriental Hotel is owned by the Western Metal Product Company WEMCO Group with 99% shareholding. The luxury hotel was built in 2009. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.